natural when he attempts that. Well. He loses his stumps. Exactly repeating the shot. But this time, Zahid has had the last laugh.
Oh, he's bowled him. He's bowling round his legs. This is what we were talking about. Faisal Akram.
And he was caught napping in this afternoon in Faisalabad. Showed the stumps and paid the price. Shan Masood, after all that hard work which he has done in this sweltering heat of Faisalabad, he will have to take the long walk. Ball him! Played away from his body, paid the price.
His wicket at this stage will surely have an impact on the total that the Allied Bank Stallions would finish with.
Oh, played on. Haider Ali, who was looking so good. Abbas, it was a seam-up delivery. It just ran in with the arm. It just came in with the seam. And Haider Ali played on.
Ball him. Beautiful. That's a flipper. That's a quicker one.
That has been missing on quite a few occasions.
Oh, it's gone right through him. Pace has worked. Length has worked. Hasnan has worked.
On target. Well, a poor shot, I would say, in the end. Was there a need to do it? That's what I just said. You can see off Hasnan.
Ball him! And that's the end of UMT Barkhors. Excellent display of fast bowling by the youngster Jahandad Khan. He clearly deserved this 4-wicket haul. Career best so far. Well done, Jahandad.
Yeah, you take that middle stump guard and then you move away for that big swing. So full into the wicket would be paying off. Goes for 4. Gone! The premier fast bowler strikes, gets Shan Masood back to the dugout.
Yeah, perfect with the front foot, no problems there at all. And Shan once again, not back, not fully forward, just stuck in the middle, and the ball just stayed a touch low and he wasn't happy. He did not enjoy to see Naseem Shah over the moon.
स्टेडियम को तैयार करने के लिए और आगे फ्यूचर का देखते हैं आप इस स्टेडियम का
सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो मेरा अच्छा मैच हो रहा है। हम बात कर रहे थे कि फैसलाबाद स्टेडियम की हमें बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का।
Ball him! Zahid Mahmood has once again arrived in Faisalabad. Remarkable bowling in absolute no position. Mehran Mumtaz to play that one.
And Mehran Mumtaz couldn't get in line, couldn't cover the line, couldn't believe what has happened.
Ball him. Ball him. He's bowling them googlies, and this one came in sharply with a good pace.
The telling blow. Nurpur lines are slumping.
Ball him. First one from Mir Hamza. It's Bismillah Khan. What a start. Big gap between bat and the pad. Mir Hamza is too good to realize it.
Knocked him over. Iftikhar's off stump has gone for a walk.
Iftikhar Ahmed was stunned not only with his ball coming into the stumps, but he was also caught napping this afternoon in Faisalabad. Big moment in this game. Short ball offered too tall, Abdul Samad, but he will only have to blame the luck or himself. Played on to the stumps.
Big hitting Samad could have made a real difference. Samad, by the time he realized it was too late and he was too far away to knock the ball away from the stumps. There you go. And it's agonizingly watches the ball hit the stumps.
The next delivery bowls him. That's a ripper. That's a beautiful delivery by Salman Ali Agha.
Plenty of problem here. Little bit of turn. Went through the gate.
And wicket off the inside edge, a touch shot. And Saud Shakil was in no position, not on the back foot, not on the front foot.
Once again, Brad gets slightly outside the line, but this time a different kind of a dismissal. But once again, bamboozled by that short ball. Ball him! What an in-dipper! Sarfraz is stunned. Haris Rauf pace doing the damage.
A quick ball, jagging back off the, yes, it did. Came back off the seam, and to any batter, this would have been a wonderful delivery. And let alone Sarfaraz.
Knocked him over. Classical left-armer's dismissal.
Gave it air, the area he chooses and the turn. There was a huge gap between bat and pad.
Ball him! Hit the timber, Shaheen Shah Afridi. The eagle is back.
Right onto those stumps. Nothing Imran Jr. could do to counter that.
और बोल्ड हो गए. मिड विकेट को हदफ बनाया था आदिल ने, लेकिन हसनैन ने उनकी ऑफ स्टंप को
बिल्कुल जड़ में गेंद किया ऑफ स्टंप की. सही बिल्कुल डिलीवरी है और ऑफ स्टंप पे जा लगी बॉल. बड़ा शॉट लगाने गए थे. पिछले ओवर में 17 रन मिल गए थे. पहला ही बॉल बल्ला घुमाया आदिल ने
बल्लेबाजों के खिलाफ अपने पूरे करियर में, और इसलिए एक और विकेट बाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज की जहांदाद खान.
अब ये तो होना ही था, बिकॉज जहांदाद ने पहले ही फैसला कर लिया था कि अब बड़े शॉट्स लगाने हैं.
And talking about breakthrough, Mir Hamza said, right here, he hits the timber.
Brilliant delivery to get rid of the man in form, Irfan Niazi. He missed the line and the pace altogether. And then that gentle celebration. Ball him! Hits the timber! Qasim Akram. We still got life in this game.
He wanted to go play it across the line, Mohammad Taha. He missed the line totally on that occasion. That will cost Nupur Lions.
Knocked him over. What a piece of a delivery from Saim Ayub.
This is the last wicket that fell and did not pick. Wonderful delivery, pitching on middle, hitting off, and Abdul Samad had no clue which way the ball would go after pitching. And Saim, well, he deserves it.
And an opportunity to get 5. Ball him! Saim Ayub, you beauty, take a bow!
Only 137 for the UMT Markhors in this all-important first playoff game. Shahnawaz Dahani looked clueless.
और शानदार डिलीवरी थी. इसे ऑफ साइड में फोर्स करने के लिए गए और प्ले डाउन हो गए. रोहेल नजीर
ऑन साइड पे खेलने की कोशिश की. अभी भी हॉरिजॉन्टल बैट था. गेंद थोड़ा बाहर था और स्टंप के खासा बाहर था और उसको कट करने के लिए चले गए.
और बोल्ड, एक और विकेट प्ले डाउन की सूरत में. जरूरत से ज्यादा जोर सर्व किया उमर ने. बिल्कुल मिलता जुलता शॉट था जो रोहेल नजीर ने खेला. वही गलती की है यहाँ उमर बिन यूसुफ ने. और बोल्ड हो गए. इस बार वार खाली गया जमान खान का, लेकिन सिराजुद्दीन का बिल्कुल नहीं.
पूरे जी जान के साथ इस मर्तबा सीधी बॉलिंग करने का उन्हें सिला मिला. मिडिल स्टंप को गेंद जा टकराई.
Oh, he's cleaned him up. Through Hasibullah, and Sajid Khan has the last laugh into the tournament, and he has won.
That was coming inside, and he just cleaned him up right through the batter. Hasibullah, who was looking good, has to go.
Get a total on the board. Not to be Imran. A big swing and a miss. And his stumps are rattled.
But they're looking in a hurry. Missed it altogether.
Knocked him over inside edge onto the stumps. And UMT Markhors have been skittled out.
Arfat Minhas came late to the act, but have wrapped things over for Lake City Panthers within. His 2 over and 4 deliveries went for a big one once again. Shahnawaz Ali Dahani.
बोल्ड कर दिया. एक खिलाड़ी कम, 9 बाकी.
यहाँ शाहनवाज दहानी जो है धूमधाम से जश्न मना रहे हैं अपनी इस विकेट का. जरूर इस गेंद को खेलना चाहिए था. इसमें कोई शुबा नहीं, बाहर से खेल गए। बल्ला जो है पैडों के बिल्कुल करीब नहीं था।
Bowled him! He's cleaned him up!
Cannot get any more conclusive than that. The off stump has gone for a walk, and Imran is celebrating.